Anthony Pompliano is an American entrepreneur, investor, and U.S. Army veteran. He is, with Jason A. Williams, co-founder and managing partner at Full Tilt Capital, an early-stage venture capital fund, and Morgan Creek Digital Assets. Pompliano believes that blockchain-based digital art has a bright future. In this video, we are going to discuss Anthony Pompliano top investing advice for 2023. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. He places his estimates for the traditional art market's value at around 65 billion USD in the past few years. On the other hand, he puts the forecast for digital art below 10 million USD. Pompliano is among the most zealous campaigners of Bitcoin. He supports the notion of BTC as a store of value and is for the idea of widely adopting it in the USA to remain competitive in the current financial world. He is against those who claim that the system is unsafe and prone to attacks. Though he doesn't refute, he claims that many indicators are suggesting the robustness of the currency. He cites the increased number of transactions, hash rates, and the development of more wallets as some of the positive points. Moreover, he is passionate about digital currency. His Twitter feed is flooded with cryptocurrency updates and inspirational lines for heavy investors of BTC. Pomp advised his 1.6 million Twitter followers. People are drastically underestimating how much damage has been done this week to institutional interest in both Bitcoin and the broader crypto ecosystem. Bitcoin will not only survive, but it will thrive in the coming years, in my opinion. But we shouldn't ignore the fact that this week was a setback for everyone, regardless of what corner of the industry you play in. Over on his blog, Pomp explained in detail why Bitcoin has such an important role right now. Finance is a confidence game. Everyone from investors to entrepreneurs have to believe that the system works, that players are held to the same standard, and that a buyer of last resort will appear in a moment of crisis. But what happens when we lose confidence? Bank runs. We have seen the loss of confidence in the crypto industry too. The most recent example was FTX, which triggered billions of dollars of withdrawal requests. Some people were able to get their money out, while others were too slow and FTX paused withdrawals. Once the bank run starts, companies don't have very many options. Throughout all the noise, and without any outside capital investment, Bitcoin has continued to shine for nearly 15 years. It has completely separated itself from the crypto industry. When the confidence game is over for the crypto industry, the market comes back to Bitcoin. There is nowhere else to flee. There is no bank run on Bitcoin. In times of chaos and uncertainty, people want confidence and security. There are Bitcoin maximalists being born every minute right now. This is a natural part of the cycle. In our darkest moment, Bitcoin steps to the forefront. It provides the solution. It solves the confidence crisis, block after block of transactions. The digital payment network continues to provide a long-term oriented savings technology that affords anyone in the world the opportunity to protect their purchasing power over decades. If you can ignore the price and simply look at the underlying fundamentals, Bitcoin continues to grow stronger. Pompliano's idea has its fair share of critics. The primary argument that divides opinion is that digital art is easy to copy. Nevertheless, proponents of the counter-argument hold that copies of the original lack the original copy's authenticity. They believe that it's their ownership rights on the blockchain and not the copies that make digital art valuable. It's noteworthy that both sides of the argument have a point. It will take immense effort to prove that the original digital piece is different from a copy if we ignore the ownership aspect. In January 2013, Pompliano founded DicaForce, a social media intelligence platform for demographic information based on unfiltered social content. The company was acquired in December 2013 by Strategic Link Partners. He then joined Facebook in 2014 to lead the growth and engagement team for Facebook pages. In August 2015, Pomp was recruited to start and lead the growth team at Snapchat. Full Tilt Capital, an early-stage venture capital fund, was founded by Pomp and Jason Williams in August 2016. They invested in 22 deals in the first 90 days of the fund. The Morgan Creek Digital Pioneer urges public pension funds to invest 1 to 5% of their portfolios in Bitcoin. Currently, they struggle with funding, and the rising value of the currency would alleviate their deficit problems. He underscores his claim by pushing forth a reminder that he has been talking this way since 2018. and that BTC has tripled in value since then. In a 2020s podcast, he offered his advice to Giant California's pension fund, CALPERS, which struggles after the COVID-19 pandemic. He felt that instead of increasing their investments on illiquid assets, they should think about allocating to BTC, which would boost their risk-adjusted returns. The investment consultant praised Bitcoin by calling it the 150+ billion USD asset, which is shooting forward to become the new global reserve currency. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.